Assalamu alaikum. Today we will study about the impact of nationalization of industries, banks and insurance companies. After studying this topic, we will be able to know about the labor reforms, agriculture reforms and also impact on nationalization on bank, industries and insurance companies in Zulfikar Ali Bhutto era. By nationalization process, 11 more industrial units were nationalized on 16 January 1972. Nationalization gave strength to economic stability and encouraged industrial development also. Government gained considerable profit by nationalization of banks and insurance companies that were proved to be very fruitful for the government. Now our next topic is labor reforms. Announcement the new labor policy 10 February 1972. Representatives of the laborers were included in the administrative committee. Annual bonus was announced that was equal to their first month that were equal to the 1 month pay. Their working hours reduced from 54 to 48 per week. They would be given extra remuneration if they willingly worked overtime. Every laborer would have the right of old age pension, insurance, guarantee, medical facilities under the Social Security scheme would be given to the laborers and it would be paid for the owners. Industrial Relation Commission was set up for the settlement of the disputes among laborers through trade unions. A new post of stewardship was created who was responsible for the settling differences between the mill owners and the laborers. And our next topic is agriculture reforms. The limit of land ownership irrigated by canals was fixed up to 150 acres and land irrigated by natural rains was up to 300 acres. The land beyond these limits was confiscated. The landowner would be imposed tax on them, but peasants are exempted from it. Peasants are that farmer that having low social status. Landowners were not allowed to evict peasants one-sidedly. Financial aid was given to the Anjuman Imdad-e-Bahmi to support mechanized farming in Pakistan. Loans were granted to the farmers. Impact of nationalization on industries, education, commerce and trade. Industries. Laborers' salaries were increased. Strikes were decreased. Industrial circle ended. Maintained prices of industrial goods. And the education impact of nationalization on education. Educational institutions were nationalized, special concession in transport, universities were established, teacher training centers also established. Approval to set up Allama Iqbal Open University. Universities were established. Many medical, engineering and professional universities were established. And here also the negative impact of education. The owners of private institutions were supply unhappy for the nationalization and they started struggle to get back their educational institutions. The unlimited liberty made the student negligent in the educational activities. The student unions were organized in the situations through political parties, which were a great threat to the peace and security. Trade and commerce. Positive impact. The nationalization of industrial unit increased the production of the state industries. Export was increased. Agriculture reforms increased. And the negative impact. Export inflation affected the salaried class the most. Devaluation of currency through increased export but also increased the prices of commodities. The import of luxury goods increased due to the burden on national treasury.